Hi students, good morning to all. Dear student, in your 7th standard, chapter number 8, comparing of quantities there. Quantities. What is the meaning of comparing of quantities? Dear student, in your real world examples, some different quantities are here, different examples are here, and different ways are also here. For example 1, the weight of or otherwise height of two students. Height of two students is 25 50 150 meter and 100 meter respectively. This is one quantity respectively. The one person is x and y. X is equal to 150 meter. But y is equal to 100 meter is there. This is our height of the two students. Okay, this comparing the quantities. First person x, second person y is there. You can compare between these two persons. What is the height of first person to second person? The first one is x height. The x height is 150 by 100. This is comparing between x to the y, and also y value is 100 by 150 meter. Okay, simplification is 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel. Next 5 2s are 5 3s are. Therefore, x height is 3 by 2 of the y. Comparing between, and also y value is 1 0 cancel, 2 by 3. Therefore, the height of the y person is 2 by 3 of the x person, and also x person height is 3 by 2 of the y person. Okay, you can write this like study about only the comparing quantity. Okay, 3 by 2 and also 2 by 3. These two are also in the ratio also here. Ratio is therefore 3:2. This ratio is not 2:3. This like also here. Therefore, this 2:3 is equal to in the fractions 2 by 3. These two are same as it is. Same. 2:3 is equal to 2 by 3. Also same as it is. Next one example is the only comparing the quantities. Comparing the quantities also no problem. Next one. Example 2 in your real world example. Rahul have 20 marbles, and Ramu have only 10 marbles. What is the ratio of these two persons? Ratios. The first one is what? The marbles. Rahul marbles is equal to how much to the Ramu? 20 by 10 is equal to 2 marbles. 2 ratio is what? 2 by 1. Otherwise, ratio is 2:1. But otherwise, the ratio of Ramu's marbles is equal to 10 by 100 is equal to 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2 ratio. The ratio is 1:2 is there. 1:2 is there. Okay, you can write this like also only ratios and also comparing quantity. You can study about in the comparing of quantity only ratio and also preparation is there. Okay, some examples in your textbook. Okay, example first one is very easy is the solution. Only find the ratios of 3 km to 300 meter. Therefore, first one is 3 kilometer. Okay, you can write 3 kilometer to meter because the first one is kilometer, the second one is meter. So you can take only 1 minute. Therefore, 3 kilometers is equal to 3000 meter. 3000 meter. Therefore, second one is what? 300 meter is there. Okay, the ratio is equal to 3000 meter meter ratio 300 meter. 3 zeros cancel, 3 zero cancel. 3 ones are 3 10. Therefore 10 meter ratio only 1 meter. Therefore 10 by 1 ratio. Otherwise this like is done. Okay, next one example. Find the ratios of 10 rupees to the 300 paisa. 300 paisa is the, therefore solution is very easy. You know about that 100 paisa is equal to 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. 1 rupees is the, okay, therefore 10 rupees is equal to 10 rupees is equal to 1000 paisa. 1000 paisa. Therefore ratio is equal to, first ratio is 10 rupees is the, 10 rupees means 1000 paisa. Ratio 300 paisa. Next cancellation, 2 zero cancel, 2 zero cancel. Therefore the ratio is 10 ratio 3, otherwise 10 by 3. This like ratios are here. Next one is equivalent ratios are here. Equivalent ratio means you can take equivalent ratio. First example is what? Are the ratios 1 ratio 2 and 2 ratio 3 are equivalent? Question mark is the check question once again. These two are the equivalent ratios or not? First we can study about only equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. What are the equivalent ratios? The first one example, 1 ratio 2. This is 1 ratio. You can write equivalent ratios of 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 ratio 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to, you can multiplication 2 by 4 and also 3 by 6 and also 4 by 8 and etc. These all are equivalent ratios. Therefore, ratios means 1 ratio 2 is equal to 2 ratio 4 is equal to 3 ratio 6 is equal to 4 ratio 8. These all are equivalent ratios. These all are equivalent ratios. Again simplification, 2 ones are 2 twos, 3 ones are 3 twos, 4 ones are 4 twos, same as it is. And also example 2, the ratio 3 ratio 7 is the, you can write 4 equivalent ratios of 3 ratio 7. Therefore 3 ratio 7 is 3 by 7 is equal to, write the 4 equivalent ratios. 3 to the 6 by 14, 18 by 21, 24 by 2 the 3 the 9, 12 by 28, 15 by 35. These all are equivalent ratios. These all are equivalent ratios. Therefore, the first one is what? 3 ratio 7 is equal to 6 ratio 14 is equal to 9 ratio 21 is equal to 12 ratio 28 is equal to 15 ratio 35. These all are equivalent ratios. Again simplification, 2 3s are 2 7s are. Again 3 3s are 3 7s are. Again 3 4s are 3 7s are. Same as it is. Again that purpose you can find out the other ratios 1 ratio 2 and 2 ratio 3 are equivalent. Check yourself once again. Therefore solution, but these 2 ratios 1 ratio 2 and 2 ratio 3. You can write in the fractions 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Denominators are say different is there. You can take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator is 6 is there. Therefore 6 is there. You can take this like also. LCM is 6. Therefore 1 by 2 ratio 3, therefore 6 is the LCM is 2. LCM is 6. Therefore, you can make the denominator 6 is there. 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3. 3 by 6 is there. Next, second one is what? And the second one, 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. Therefore, 4 by 6. Therefore, comparing between 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. The comparing. Therefore, 4 by 6 is more than 3 by 6. Therefore, 4 by 6 is more than 3 by 6. But these two ratios are not equivalent. These two ratios are not equivalent ratios. Equivalent. Because equivalence means same. Same is the. This like same equivalent. But these two are not same. But 4 by 6 is more than 3 by 6 is there. Got it? Therefore, our answer is what? 4 by 6. 2 ratio 3 is more than 1 ratio 2. Not equivalent ratios. Okay? Next one example. Okay. Next one example is 6 balls cost is 90 rupees. What would be the cost of 10 such balls? Solution. First of all, you can write the ratios by the unitary method also. The 6 ball cost is 90 rupees. First of all, you can take only cost of 1 ball. Cost of 1 ball is equal to 90 by 6. Therefore, ratio is what? Ratio is 6 ones are 6 1 6, 6 5 are 15 rupees. The cost of 1 ball is equal to 15 rupees. We want the cost of 10 such balls. Cost of 10 such balls. Such balls is equal to 15 into 10 is equal to 115 rupees. 115 rupees. Or otherwise in the ratio. Or otherwise in the method is what? The cost of 6 balls. 6 balls cost is 90 rupees. The cost of 1 ball. Cost of 1 ball is equal to 90 by 6. This is the ratio is the. Therefore, we want cost of 10 ball is equal to 90 by 6 into 10 is equal to 6 ones are 650. Therefore, 150 rupees. Same as it is. This like also here. Next, in the third question, solution. The question is, the car that I own can go 150 km with 25 liter of petrol. But how far can it go with the 30 km for the petrol? Okay, dear students, the question is, the car that I own can go 150 km with 25 liter. The ratio is, first one I own can go how much? 115 km to ratio is 25 liter. 25 liter. But the distance for 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 150 kilometers divides 25 liters is equal to 25 liters 150 kilometers. But what about distance between only 1 liter is equal to how much kilometers? Therefore 25 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 6 are 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers. Only 1 liter 6 kilometers. But 25 liters 150 kilometers. Therefore, question is how much distance? The distance for in or with 30 kilometers, 30 liter petrol. 30 liter petrol. 30 liter petrol means 1 liter 6 kilometers. Therefore, 30 liter into 6 is equal to 6 3s are 18. kilometer. 180 kilometers is there. Got it? These are like some examples. Next one is percentage is the percentage another way of the comparing quantity. Percentage meaning is to the 100 only. Percentage to the 100 only. The meaning of percentage. Next, first one example. Find the percentage of children of different heights for the following data. First one is, in the first column is height, number of children in the fractions. Next, percentage. The first one is 110 centimeter, 22 students are here. You can write in the fractions also. Therefore, 22 by 100 is equal to total student is 100. The 22 students is only 110 centimeter is there. Next, 120 centimeter, 25 student is there. 25 by 100. 25 by 100. What about next one? 128 centimeters height. Students are only 32 students are here. 32 by 100 is there. Next, this one is what? Therefore, 21 students are 130 centimeter height is there. 21 divides 100 is there. These all are percentage. Percentage is the total percentage is, this one is 0 point or 22 percentage. This is 25 percentage. Otherwise, this one is 32 percentage. This one is 21 percentage. These are all are percentage 60, 90, 100. Total is 100 percentage. Got it? Next one example also here you can take. But this example is only to the 100. Denominator is you can take 100 is the na. Okay. Otherwise 22 by 100 is equal to 22 percentage. Or otherwise 0.22 percentage. Or otherwise 0.25 percentage. Or otherwise 0.32 percentage. Or otherwise 0.21 percentage. Also no problem. Okay. These are percentage to the 100 only. But next one example is different is that in the previous example the total sum is 100 is that when the denominator is 100 that is easily find out the percentage. But this one is the percentage and total is not 100. But total is not 100 is that. Okay, you can write the fractions and also percentage. The first one is color is red and blue is the number of bits, only number of bits. The fractions. First we can write the fractions of red bits. Red is 8, total is 20. 8 by 20, but not denominator 100. Next, second one, blue bit is 12 by 20. Next, okay, you can make the denominator is 100 to the percentage. 8 by 20. 8 by 20 into 5 by 5. 8 5 is 40, divides 100 is there. Therefore, this percentage is 40 percentage. Easily. Next, this one is what? 12 by 20 is there. You can take 12 by 20 into 5 by 5. Therefore, 12 5 is 60, divides 100. Therefore, 60 percentage is there. 60 percentage. But this percentage when not the given is 100. Okay. Next one example, converting decimal into fractions, fractions into decimal. Okay. Next one is convert fractional numbers and also converting fractional numbers to the percentage. In the first one example, convert 5 by 4 into percentage. The solutions. The first example is what? 5 by 4 is the fractional number. In the form of fractions, you can convert it into percentage. Okay, you can multiplication and also you can make the denominator 100. Denominator is 4 is the, you can make the denominator is 100. 25 by 25 is equal to 25 4 is 100. Therefore, 25 5 is 125. 125 divides 100 is equal to, the percentage is 125 percentage. 125 by 25 percentage is there. Next one is what? Next one, out of 25 students in the class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls percentage? Okay, in the classroom, 25 students are here. The girls are only 15 students. Okay, you can find out the percentage of girls. Therefore, percentage of girls is equal to 15 by 25 is a fraction. 15 by 25 is a fraction. Again, you can make the denominator is 100. 4 by 4. Therefore, 15 fours are 60. Divides 100 is the. Therefore, the girls percentage is only 60% is girls in your school. Okay. Next one is second method. Convert decimals to the percentage. In the given, the decimal is given. You can convert it to percentage. Therefore, solution. The first one is what? 0.75 is the decimal. You can write in the percentage. 0.75 is equal to 75 by 100 is a fraction. Again, you can fraction to the percentage. Therefore, 75 by 100 is directly 75 percentage. The next one is what? Example 2 in the second method. Convert 0.09 to the percentage. Therefore, the given decimal is what? 0.09 is equal to, write in our decimal fractions, 0.9 divides 100. Therefore, 9 by 100 is the fractions. You can write in your decimal. Therefore, only 9% is there. In percentage, only 9%. And the last method is what? Convert percentage to the fractions or decimals. Solution. In the first one is what? First one, 65% to the fractions. Very easy. 65% is equal to 65 by 100. 65 by 100 is, this is fractions. Okay, last one is also here. 75% to the decimal is there. Okay, very easy. Solution. 75% to the first of all you can write in your fraction. 75% is equal to 75 by 100 is equal to, decimal number is what? Decimal number is only 75%. Sorry, 0.75. This is our decimal. What is? Dear students, in this chapter, comparing of quantity, we can study about the ratios, percentage, and conversion of percentage also here. Okay, practice more example in your homework. I shall continue next class.